How to customize app icons on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change or customize app icons on iPhone. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to just open the application shortcut on your iPhone. Alright, after you open shortcut, you will get this type of interface. From your at the top right corner, tap on plus icon. Alright, from the new shortcut section, tap on the option search action. And from the search action section, you'll have to search for the open app. Alright, after you find that open app, tap on that. And from your, as usual, tap on the option link app here. From the app section, you'll have to just find out the application of which you want to customize the app icons. In my case, I will select the application like Facebook. Alright, after you choose one app from there, tap on the option down just at the top right. Okay, after you created a shortcut for open app on shortcut, you have to just tap and hold that shortcut from here. Alright, after you tap and hold, tap on the option share from this section. From this share section, tap on add to home screen. And from here, you'll have to just select the gallery icon over here. Okay, so from this section, tap on the option choose photo, or you can go with the option take photo or choose file. Okay, from your photo library, you'll have to just select a picture or photo whom you want to add on that app icon. In my case, I will select this random picture from here. Alright, after you customize or resize it, tap on the option choose just at the bottom right. Okay, after you add a picture on here, tap on the option add just at the top right corner. Alright, as you can see, here is the shortcut with the picture that will open Facebook on my iPhone. So this is the only way to customize your apps on your home screen. By tapping on that option, you can manually open that app. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.